Hi guys, again, good morning, and thank you for coming to this class. What we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to solve system of inequalities. In the last classes, we learned how to solve by graphing, substitution, and elimination systems of linear equations. In this case, we're gonna work with inequalities. There is something that I want to mention before getting into that, which is, guys, you have a looks at some properties. If you remember, guys, before graphing, let's say that I got an inequality like something like, let me see, y greater than 2x plus 3. Let's suppose that this is my inequality, guys. I'm going to graph it, okay? Let's say that this is the graph. And then, guys, there is something that I want you to notice. So take a look at this, guys, this expression. This is the graph, this one. And uh, I already graphed it. Then, guys, you have to tell me, guys, because there are two cases, which is solid or dashed line. And this greater than, guys, what do I have to do with the line? It's gonna be a solid line or a dashed line. Can someone remind me that? In the case, guys, when we only have greater than, I mean, we don't have equals, the equal signs here, that line are gonna be graphed, okay? You're gonna dash your line, okay? You're gonna dash your line, and it's gonna be something like this, okay? That's gonna be the graph. When, guys, when we have these signs, let me recap that, okay? When we have these signs, which is less than or greater than. When you have these inequality signs, guys, you're gonna dash your line. What is gonna happen if we have included? Okay, let's see the other example. If you have something like, let me think about something like y less than negative 3x plus 6. Let's say that this is the equation. Okay, the graph is gonna be something like is negative, then the graph is gonna be decreasing. Okay, something like this. And then in this case, guys, how is going to be the line? It's going to be dash or solid. Notice that it's less than or equal to.
Solid.
Okay, it's going to be
Solid.
solid. Okay, you leave it like that. Okay, it's a solid line like this. You leave it like that. And when do we leave it solid, mister? When you have something like less than or you have greater than or equals to. When you have these symbols, guys, it's a solid line. Just to keep that on mind, guys. These are something that hey, I want you to have on mind. Something else, guys. When you divide, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, what is going to happen, guys? If you multiply or divide by a negative number, if the inequality sign is less than, what are you going to do, guys? You're going to flip it, right? We flip the inequality sign when we multiply or divide by a negative number. If you handle this, guys, we can move on. Let's have a look at this. I need to solve this system of inequalities, guys. I need to know what values for y and x make both inequalities true. The first thing, guys, that I'm going to do is I'm going to say that I got different equation. This is my equation 1, and this is my inequality, sorry, 2. And then I'm going to work separately, guys. I need to graph both of them, but I'm going to graph just one at a time. Okay, let me take the first one. I'm going to take the first one here, right here. And let me copy it. Let me copy my first inequality, which is y less than 4x minus 3. Okay, the first thing, guys, when you're graphing a linear and non-linear inequality or equation or whatever it is, guys, you're trying to graph, you will have to solve for y. That's the first step, guys. Is y alone here, guys? Is this solved for y? I get to see that y is completely alone. Then, guys, piece of cake. If y is alone, guys, just copy some information. What is that information? Okay, it's slope, and the intercept form. Okay, slope and y-intercept. Can someone help me and identifying that information? What is the slope m in this case?
Four.
4 is
Four.
the x coefficient, right? The coefficient of x, 4. Okay, thank you very much. It's 4. Guys, but I remember that that is a fraction. I need a number.
One.
Okay, I add a 1. Thank you very much. And what is the y-intercept? What is the constant term?
-3.
Thank you very much again, negative 3, guys. With this powerful information, guys, we can graph the linear inequality. Let's move on. I got all the information I need to graph this, which is the y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept, guys, means where the graph is going to cross this axis, which is y. Y equals to what? -3. Okay, let's look for that point. 1, 2. No, mister, it's negative. Move down. -1, -2, -3. This is going to be my first point. Okay, let me make my first point right here. Okay, -3. Okay, here. Okay, here's my first point. And then I need to move according to my slope, which is positive, +4. This means 4 units up, guys. From this point, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many units in x? The denominator. 1, right? Okay, I'm going to move 1 unit to the right. Okay, I'm going to get my second point right. I repeat, the y-intercept is -3 and 1. Then I move to according to this slope. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 unit is to the right for x. Okay. I got this. Then I'm gonna make the line. Guys. I'm gonna make the line that is gonna pass through these 2 points. This, let's suppose this is the straight line that passes through this point. Okay, this is my equation. Then guys, let's see. It's gonna be solid or dashed. Look at the inequality sign. Is it solid or dashed?
Solid.
Solid because it's included less than or equal. Okay, this equal includes this line. Okay, all of this point or all of the point in this line are going to be part of my solution. Then guys, in this case, this is not equation, guys. This is an inequality. I need to determine the solution area. It could be either this part or this. Look at the inequality symbol again. Less than those
The right
up,
part.
less than up or down.
Down.
Down. Thank you. Less than, guys, means down. Less than. Number less means down. Okay, this part, guys, this part will be my solution. Okay, this part, all of this part, guys, will be my solution. Okay, I'm just coloring it. Okay, this part will be my solution for the first inequality. But I need to find the second, guys. That's why this is called a system, because I not only have one equation, but also more than one. Okay, let's work in the second one. Let's go to the second one. Okay, the second one is, okay, what is the second equation? Let me copy it. My second equation is y less than x over 2. Okay, this is my second equation. Okay, again, solve for y, guys. Oh, Mr. Y is alone. I love that. Yeah, I know that. Then let's identify the information, slope and y-intercept. Okay, what is the slope here, guys? What is the number with the x? What is this number?
1/2.
Is 1 in the numerator. Okay, it's 1 in the numerator, and the denominator is 2. Okay, you got denominator. You don't have to make it up. And then what is going to be the y-intercept?
0.
I don't have it here, right? I have nothing. If you have nothing, that means 0. Thank you, Brian. That was really helpful. Then, guys, let's go to the graph again. The y-intercept will be 0. Okay, 0 is the center. Okay, let's make the line. Okay, I'm gonna use blue. Okay, 0 is the center. Okay, this point in the center. And then what is the y-intercept? What is the slope? Sorry, this is the y-intercept, 0. 1/2. Okay, from this point, I need to move up 1 unit up. Okay, the numerator, 1 unit up. And 2 to the right, the denominator, 1, 2. Here's gonna be my second point. Okay, I got the 2 points, guys. I can make the line now. I got the second line, which I think it is the best I've gotten so far. This is the second inequality, the blue one, the number 2, okay? That's second. Then, guys, I got it. Now I need to determine if it is solid or dashed. Let's look at the inequality sign. Less than. It's just less than. It's solid or dashed.
Dash.
Dash because it's not included. Thank you very much. It's not included. Then I'm gonna dash this line, guys, the second one, because it's just less than. Let me dash it. Okay, let me dash this line. Okay, it's dashed. Okay, I'm dashing this, and then I need to determine the solution area. It could be either up, this part up, or down, up or down. Let's look at the inequality sign again.
Will be down.
Less than. Oh, thank you, Brian. It's down because it's less than. Thank you, Brian. Okay, down. This part, down. That will be under the line. That will be under the line. Okay. Let me just color this part. This part. sport all the way down. Okay, and Mister, what is the solution? Because I just get to see a lot of lines there. That solution, guys, do you remember the solution is, guys, the point that make not only the first equation true, but also the second one, both of them. For instance, guys, the solution in this case, this part makes the blue, the equation number two, true, but it doesn't make the first one true. So that's why, guys, the intersection point will be the solution, which is this overlapping area where you have the different colors. The overlapping area is your solution. This part is my solution. Let me write it down. Okay, this is my solution. Okay, this area, guys, is my solution. Okay, and Mister, should I erase the other part? I would say yes. I will, guys, to have a better idea and to have, in I mean, you can look better this. Let me erase this. Okay, just 1 second. I color because you can get a better idea, guys. What is the solution one and what is the solution two? I'm erasing this area, guys, because I don't need it. Okay, I don't need it. Okay, this part is just solution for the first one. This is solution for the first one to just for the first one and the other for the second one. Then I'm erasing this, guys, because I don't need it. Okay, let me erase this, and now you will see the solution in a better way. Okay, this overlapping area is my solution. This area is my solution. Okay, this part. Let's move on. Let's okay. Let's have a look at this. We have this system of inequalities, and I need to find a solution. I need to find what the solution is. Let me just add something here. Okay, I'm gonna say that the equation, the inequality, this is the inequality one, and this is the inequality number two. Okay, we're gonna work separately. Okay, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit because I know I'm going to need a space here. Okay, the equation number one, guys, is this one. Okay, let me copy it. Let me copy it. Okay, let me see how can I work on that. Okay, give me some help. Okay, equation number one, guys, is this one. Okay, I will copy it, the inequality number one, which is, let me see, x minus 2y greater than 4. Okay, please do not make this the same mistake that some people is making. Okay, that is just the y-intercept, the x. Guys, we cannot identify what is neither the slope nor y-intercept because y is not alone. The first thing you need to do is to solve for y. Help me out. My goal, guys, is to let y alone. Okay, I'm gonna copy negative 2y greater than or equals to. What is pissing me off here, guys, in this left side that I don't have the y alone? What is pissing me off? First,
The X.
the x, right, is positive x. If I move it to the other side, will be negative x. And the 4, guys, I just get it down because it's already on the right side, okay? I just moved the positive x and I turned it into negative x, just that. Then I will ask you guys, is y alone?
No.
Notice that y is not alone because guys, I got a negative 2 multiplying the y. Okay, that negative 2, guys, on the other side is going to be divided. Okay, this negative 2, guys, is going to be divided. Negative 2 and then negative 2. That's what I got, guys. Y greater than. Okay, guys, what is going to happen with the inequality sign if I am divided by a negative number? If you divide by a negative
You
number,
will flip it.
exactly, I need to flip it because I am divided by a negative number. I repeat, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, you flip the inequality sign. Just when dividing or multiplying, just that. Divided by negative 2, I flip the inequality sign. Okay, let's simplify this expression now because I don't like how it looks. Okay, minus and minus, guys. Minus divided by another negative number. That's going to be positive, right? Okay, let me just copy x over 2. And then this, guys, plus and minus. Plus divided by a minus number. What is going to be minus, right? Minus what, guys? 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? And this is the equation, the inequality, guys. This is the inequality equation. Inequality. I'm used to say equation. This is the inequality, guys. Y is now alone. Now, guys, you're completely capable of getting the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, let's do that. Slope. What is the slope and what is the y-intercept? Can someone give me a hand? What is the slope in this inequality? This number. What number do we have up with the x? 1. And what number do we have in the denominator? Is 2. Then, what is the y-intercept? What is the number alone here, guys? The constant term.
-2.
-2. Okay, with this information, guys, we can make this. The thing that we're going to plot is the y-intercept, which is -2. Okay, let me look for -2. This is 0 and y, -1, -2. Sorry that I didn't put the negative. Okay, this is negative, 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 negative. Okay, this is I'm going to use yellow for this one. Okay, -2 and y. Okay, -1, -2 and y. Okay, that is the y-intercept. This is where the graph crosses the y-axis. Okay, y-intercept. And then I need to move according to the slope. The slope is 1/2. Okay, 1 means in y. 1 unit up because it's positive. And how many units in x? 2 to the right. We always move to the right in x. Okay, this is my 2 points. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna make the line. I'm gonna join these 2 points and let's see what we got. What I got, guys. I got this line. Okay, this is the graph for this inequality. Now let's determine. You only need to look at the inequality sign, guys, to get all this the information is missing. This is included or not. Less than or equals to. Oh, it's included. Then it's gonna be solid, right? Because it says less than or equals to. It includes all these values along this line. Okay, I leave it like that. Then I need to determine the solution. Let's look at the sign again. Less than means up or down, guys. When it is less, guys, it's up or down.
Down.
Down. Okay, this part, guys, this part will be my solution. Down. Okay, all of this part will be my solution. That's the first solution for the first equation. Now, guys, I need to graph the second equation. Let's go to the second. Let's take the second equation. This is this one. Okay, let me copy the second equation, which is, let me copy the second one. The second equation is x plus 3y less than 3. Okay, I'm just copying this equation. And then, guys, again, what is the y-intercept? What is this slope? Y must be alone, first of all. Foremost, y must be alone. Okay, let's let y alone. 3y. What is pissing me off, guys? So I don't have the y alone. What is pissing me off on the left side? The positive x, right? If I move it to the other side, will be negative x. And I just get the 3 down. I repeat, this 3 is this one. This 3y is this 3y. The only thing that I'm moving or modifying is this positive x. On the other side is negative x. Now, is y alone? I don't think so. Take a look that y is not alone. Then, guys, I will leave it alone. This 3 is multiplying, guys. What is this 3 going to be doing on the other side?
Dividing.
Divided, thank you. Divided by 3, divided by 3. Guys, if you can simplify this, please do it. That will help you. That will help you. Okay, can I simplify, guys? Negative x over 3 is the same. And
3/3 is 1.
okay, thank you, Efrain. I got that. Then, guys, let's get this information out. The slope. Okay, I'm gonna copy here. A slope. Oh my God, what is that, mister? It doesn't look like an M. A slope and y-intercept. Okay, I'm gonna copy that information right here. What is this slope, guys? What is the slope here? Which number do I have here? Negative, -1. And what is the denominator? -1/3, right? Right here. And the y-intercept, the constant term is 1. Okay, now let's represent this point on the graph. Okay, the y-intercept is 1 in y. Okay, let's look in y. 0 in y, -1, -2. No, it's +1, mister. Move up. Okay, up. Okay, it's this point. I'm gonna make in blue color, in blue, the blue. I'm gonna use this color blue. Okay, I got it. This is my first point, the y-intercept, and then I move according to this slope. Negative. Should I move up or down? Negative means down. Okay, how many units down? 1. Okay, 1 unit down, and how many units in x? 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna get my second point right here. Okay, now guys, let's make a line and get the blue one. Can do. I got it. Okay, this is the second inequality for this one. Okay, then I need to look at the inequality sign again. This gives me the information that I need. Less, just less, guys, is dash or solid. Just less, it's not equal.
Dash.
It's gonna be dash.
Dash.
If you think it's gonna be dash because it's just less than. Okay, let's dash the blue one. I'm gonna dash this. Okay, let me see. I will dash this. Okay, I will make it dash, 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 guys. Okay, here I go, here we go, here we go. And then what about the solution area? It's going to be up or down. When it is up, because it's greater than. When it is less than, it's down.
Down.
Less than. Mister, all of these examples are down. I don't know what's going on, but all of them are down. You're right. Okay, I'm going to color this part down. Okay, let me see. Down here. Okay, like this. Down, down, down. This is what you can do, guys. If you don't want to use, if you don't want to use different colors, you can use make the lines in different directions. Okay, one to the right, the other to the left, so you can see the differences. Okay, this is what I got, guys. Take a look. That I only need the overlapping area, because this area, the overlapping where I have two colors, is the solution, because this area makes not only the first equation true but also the second one. Okay, let me raise the part, guys, that I don't have, that I only have one color. Okay, which is this. I will erase this part, guys, this part. Take a look, I'm erasing this because this part only satisfied the first, the second equation, and I need both of them. Okay, I will erase this part because this is just solution for one equation, and I will leave just the part that is overlapping. Okay, I will erase this part too for the yellow here. Okay, 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 and now I got it. This is my solution, guys. That area, the overlapping area, is my solution. Solution. Just like that. If you don't believe me, take a point here, substitute it into each inequality, and you will see that that is true.